Hi guys, it's Jeanet and welcome back to my channel. Also, if you're new here, I post new fashion, lifestyle and travel videos every week. And today is the second video in my mini minimalizing kind of series. I only have 2 more to go, so I have a project planning video coming on, and then just a overview of my room makeover that led to all these minimalizing things and declutters and so on. So if you do want to stick around for that, please make sure you hit subscribe. Otherwise, today is going to be my jewelry declutter, so without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I started off by sectioning off the jewelry that I was going to be keeping versus what I was going to be giving away. So the necklace footage was lost, so I do apologize for that. Unfortunately, a lot of the earring footage was also lost. I'm really sorry about that, but I will be showing you what I ended up giving away to kind of give you an idea of what was going on. Okay, so here are some of the things that I'm going to be throwing away because I lost the pair of it. So yeah, that is going unfortunately in the bin. Then I just put all the things that I'm going to be giving away into this container just to keep everything together so it doesn't get lost. But as you can see, it's quite a bit. I'm really happy with it, and I'll show you why now. This is why I'm so happy with it. Until recently, I had these 3 all filled with pendants and earrings only, so never mind my rings, never mind my actual necklaces, nothing like that. Only pendants and earrings, and all of them, as you can see, have the same amount of small drawers. So I feel like that's quite a lot for things like earrings that don't take up a lot of space. And after my declutter, I now am only using this one and this one. This one is full. This one only has 1 drawer that's currently being used. So yeah, I am extremely happy about that. That's a massive improvement, I personally think. And then I'm quickly going to show you my new jewelry holder. Okay, so this is the jewelry holder that I'm replacing, because even though it's a perfectly good jewelry holder, it's just not the kind that I can use because, I don't know, I've had this for quite a while and I'm just so lazy that most of the time my jewelry just ends up being scattered around the house because I didn't have the patience to put each one into the individual slots that you'll see the small dots there. That's where you insert the earrings. So I just did not have the patience for that. So it's better that I give this away and that I finally invested in a jewelry holder that I can sufficiently use. This is the jewelry holder that I invested in. So I scouted this for months. It took such a long time to figure out what I wanted, what I needed, and I'm so happy with this. I think it is so beautiful, and I really like the way that you can actually see what's going on inside, because obviously jewelry is one of those few things that is most often beautiful, so it's not the end of the world if you can see into the box. So yeah, I am extremely happy with this, and I can't wait to show you how that and everything else that I changed about my room fits into the new look. Okay, so that was my jewelry declutter. I hope you liked it. I know it's not like, once again, this massive reduction, but yeah, I did show you all of what I got rid of, and I'm really happy about it. It always cheers me up when I know that things that I no longer use is going to go to someone who will enjoy it and will actually make the most of it. I don't know. So yeah, really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.